Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make paper butterflies. I'm gonna make them in the theme of my Independence Day. Let's get started. For this project you will need scissors, double-sided tape and a green marker and white card paper. Using white card paper and green marker for my theme, but you can choose any color you want. Take white card paper and cut it into the strips. You can cut them any width you want. It depends how big you want your butterflies to be. This is my sample paper. I'm gonna draw a butterfly. You can draw half of it, not the full. Now I'm gonna cut it out. And here is the final product. As I got my stencil, so I'm gonna draw more of these on the other strips so that I can get the similar butterflies. Now I'm gonna cut them. And here is all of my butterflies. I know the edges look a bit rough, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover them up with the green marker. So I'm gonna put the double-sided tape in the middle to the other side of the paper and fold the edges so that when I stick it to the surface, the wings look more nicer and neater. Cut the small piece of the double-sided tape and stick it on the bottom like so, and now you can stick it to any surface you like. So I'm gonna do it to the rest of my butterflies. Fold the edges. You can use the marker if you want, or you can use your hands to do it, but I prefer doing it with the marker. Now I'm gonna stick the double-sided tape on each one of them. I stick double-sided tape on every butterfly, and now I'm ready to stick them on, and I'm gonna show you now.